Today I'm driving BMW i8. See what it's like away from the lights now. We're in sport mode, so ooh, that sounds good. That's all synthetic, but this is a quick car. The first thing that surprises me about this car is how good it sounds. Like, it's got a very unique sound to it. Obviously in the back there's only a 1.5 litre 3-cylinder turbo engine, which shouldn't sound good, and it doesn't sound good on idle. Like, on idle this just sounds like a diesel boat or something, but on when you got your foot down it sounds amazing. It's all like synthesized, but in a really different way. It sounds electric. Like, it sounds like, you know those motorbikes in Tron? It sounds like that. It sounds like a Tron bike when you put your foot down, and that's really cool. The drive is firm. It is quite a firm ride. It does throw you around a bit, even in comfort mode. It's fast. It's really fast. Like, it's got so much torque, but from low down with the electric motor, it's just like, it's instant. So it feels like it's got more torque than it actually has. It's got 400 and something, 357 brake horsepower, which again, like, if you read that, it doesn't sound like a lot, but because it's so light, it flies. It's really nicely. It hasn't got too much power, but it has. You don't feel like you need more. It's nicely proportioned in the power department. Apart from the firm ride, it's a really comfortable car to drive. Like, the visibility is great, which is unlike most sports cars. Like, out the front, the bonnet just drops away and you can just see, it's got a massive windscreen, you can just see everything. It's a really comfortable place to be. The seats are great, the driving position's great. There's plenty of room to relax with big armrests either side. The only disappointing bit is, like, the gear knob and stuff. That's just from a 3 Series. Like, the iDrive is exactly the same. The screen's a little different, like the actual display. The dials are great. The dials are really cool. Gearbox is great. Yeah, I really like this car. It is quite wide getting out these multi-storey car park spaces. It feels like quite a big car all of a sudden. But look at this. All these things look so cool. Balls this up. This car, out of any of the ones that I've driven, turns the most heads without doubt. It's like, even in this grey colour, it's not like the McLaren, a wild orange, and this turns way more heads. It just looks really futuristic. Oh. Yes!
Sporting mode.
And this is where hybrid cars make sense, when you're in a traffic jam and you're not using any fuel. It just makes perfect sense. So this car has done 9,999 miles, so we're gonna hit the big 10k in a minute, but over its lifetime it's done 51.7 miles per gallon, which is amazing for a performance vehicle. That's so good. So to summarise on the i8, it's great. I love it. I absolutely think it's brilliant. Out of all the cars that I've driven, this takes a close number 2. Doesn't quite knock the McLaren off the top spot, but I mean, it's half the price, so you've got to give it something for that. So I don't know what we're going to be filming next time, but remember to like, subscribe, and come and find out.